Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I said that we are pledge of allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I said that we
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
Delroy Chuck is in his constituency giving out 1-1 bread. That's the pressure. Young Stacey Knight of the 28 years veteran under. You can't believe this. But anyway, without any further ado, here is the clip. Take it away. Delroy Chuck that man, turn upside down man. 1-1 bread. The 28-year veteran Delroy Chuck. See the man. I know AI or artificial intelligence. So the Jamaica Labour Party and then surrogate them can't see a lie we are tell upon them. See the fool yourself, man. So Stacey Knight turn him in a bread, man. Man for the walk and drive around in a car, they give you 1-1 bread.
First of all, a revolutionist, the man freedom fighter. Big up yourself, talk your mind, not half of the press, big up on yourself. All of my warrior, them are yard, big up on yourself, you see me? Yeah, man, all lady warrior, man. Blessed love to no matter the nation, man, you see me? But, Rasta me talk to the Jamaican people now. And I remember the last election, and Jonas send running goons them with them green shirt in the night with them 5,000. Some wanna get 15,000, some get 10,000 left to the rank. You know? Yeah, and so and the PMP them get 5,000. You see me I say? Yeah man, enough PMP take money man and never come vote man. You see me? And him walk away with it. Well, let me tell Andrew Jonas now. None of them would they take money first time and never come vote. It's not going to happen. You see the asset one we did have, Marky G Golin. Now man, him be the biggest blood clot destruction in your way right now. Because him unite PMP back together again. Eh? He unite the party. Remember me Asha 11 did tell you know say Marky G Golin at the next Michael Manley, that Michael Manley transform himself in a Mark Golin for leading people out of the hands of this cruel, iron hand, you see me, wicked leader. You see what I say? So nobody believes say when you talk about you could turn up because you believe say you could give them money. You see me? After all your blood clot wickedness what you do to we, you could come give we money and we vote you back in. You can't turn up nothing. The most honorable Marky G Golden Man with integrity, honesty, and loyalty to the Jamaican people. The ancestor then surround him. The ancestor them a lead him. So you can't do nothing, Andrew, to stop this. It's been a long time coming. Long time coming for you. You don't need popularity, a legacy. Yeah, man. Remember, you know, I man did tell you that Almighty Life, Mother Earth and the ancestor was going to go against you. And that Mother Earth and Almighty Life said they would slice and dice the candle where you go light. You know, so you go to India for war, man. You go Israel. You go Haiti. And instead of the people them love you, they hate you like a poison to blood clot. Enough people are wish now for bad things to happen to your Prime Minister. You will be dead. The ancestor then kill it. Because they will be Haiti, our ancestor, and them not going to work for you. And no European will be, neither Indian, nor Israel, can't beat the African voodoo, kings and queen, herbical, voodoo, you doctor them, you see me, will kill all of your science. So, no matter where you walk, may I tell you, you will get no power, because Mother Earth is here, Almighty Life and the ancestor them, a different way. You see me? So your days done in a parliament. Delroy Chuck, your days done, old Beckford Chuck. You see me? Yeah, man. This demon from the pit of hell, you see me, will look like some hyenas dog. You don't see it, or race chang. Seeing? Your days done. Yeah, man. And this Cheeto, you see me? Desmond Mackenzie, you're one wicked blood clot piece of demon. You're going to shit up yourself, Desmond Mackenzie. Listen what Asha 11 I tell you. You, the blood of Jamaican people, children, and Jamaican citizens is on your hand. Remember, it depends on your hand. Trying a Siaga time. You see me? Stay in you. You remember that. You see me? So no matter what you do, you can't go through. Them say, who Almighty Life bless, no man curse. When Almighty Life is with you, who can be against you? One of the greatest asset was Marky G. Golan. Yeah, man. And the greatest destruction unto you now is Marky G. Golan. You see me? So my people, wanna listen. In 2016, he give 5,000 for vote. And after, him don't care a fuck about In 2020, when he get the whole pandemic money, he give again and then dash dirty water in a blood clad face and tell say him no need popularity, him need legacy. You see, that's when he come and say to you, after him using as a ladder and climb and reach up on the blood clot top, when do we do? He make up a pussy cloud fire bottom and shoot off the ladder in there. And now he want, no, yeah. So when he drop down now, halfway, he want the same ladder to come lean up, for him go higher. You fuck. Remember, when a man upon the ground, sit down, and he drop, the only thing can happen, he just roll on inside. But you see a man where come from up at top there, when he drop a blood clot gum, it's like a bag of yam. A half yam. It busts up. Juice run out there. Yeah. And that's what will happen to you. Fucking piece of shit, yo. After people of Jamaica, trust you. You see me? With them welfare and them picnic. Because you give them good promise. You see me? You condemn. You chop them left, right, and center. You see me? After people trust you, you know, with their life, their welfare. And where you come and do? Eh? You're the worst chopper in a blood clot Jamaica because at least the youth them a chop people are foreign. But you chop the poor blood clot people in Jamaica. Yeah. And when you don't chop them, you see me, you give them shit water for blood clot drink. You see me? And when you done that, you kill them picnic innocently for prove a claim, make them be collateral damage. For say you keep down crime. Eh? You're a wicked blood clot boy. And remember, you see, the same popularity them where you never need, and them are going to take you out of garden house, fully blood clot force. You remember? And you look at dirty, corrupted police, them where you have out there kill people. Marky G will not stand for that. When he come in a power, he say, no, I got a blood clot prison. Yeah, because we're corrupt. You know, so we're involved in all kind of gangster, all kind of extortion, rape, murder. We are going to charge you no blood clot and send you to prison because we have poor people pick me, we can angle poor people like dog. Well, poor people is going to stand up and sit it. That's when we got prison. You hear me say? Yeah, we're not going to suffer because we're going to run out of the force. We're a fucking piece of shit. All you do is get up, you see me, and take poor people money, everything. You see me? You take them land, you take them water, you see me? You take them picnic life, you see me? You take every freedom and every future for us, see? And then lock we off. Lock we off, you know? Yeah, lock we off until we say that you are go, you go make what kind of speech? Yeah, that man cannot talk again. No more freedom. Yeah, with your little dictator thinking pussy clad self. You know what I mean? With your little dictator blood clad self, like you won we are Jamaica. Yeah. This little outer order boy. Like him on one way. Like we are in picnic, we are in dog, we are in animal. You know what I mean? That's how the man treat we, you know, man. So they send out in goons and come slaughter, we picnic them like so we picnic them no count. Like him no come from pit blood clot toilet and turn prime minister, so we picnic count too. No matter how we poor, because if you did poor, if you picnic them did poor no bumbo clot. Because you say a pit toilet, one room bedroom.
What the shared economy
Minister,
is in Jamaica.
I'm saying the government can have a policy in the same way that when you look through what the budgets are, you have the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation getting $15 billion, but the Ministry of Investment getting $5 billion, a third of what they get. What I'm saying to you is that the government's policy needs to be on par, that our national assets are kept and owned by Jamaican people. Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, but the capacity to so do and to explore, exploit, and to take it to the level where it has the highest level of returns for the people of Jamaica must be a consideration. But you can. So yes, you can, but you have to have the will to do it by way of the investment.
But
ambition.
Minister, I'm seeing
to invest is not there.
No, but I'm seeing billions of dollars.
Investors.
I am seeing billions of dollars being invested.
Time come. Some are got charged for corruption. Oh yes.
Oh no, go on the false promise. On the things that we are putting back in the office. On the things that we are novice. On the better listen to this. Vote them out cause them not see we when we young. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them promptly people that vote them out cause them not see we when we young. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, we have to tell them promptly. Cause when they win them a go dump way. Marky G, you know you the people them really want to see a great leader who will talk to we. Put on the boat and go, they go walk to we. Yes, go march to we. Because we have a some guy with them on a intention, leading the country in a the wrong direction. That's why we come to make we own a selection. This we are gonna do when him call the election. Vote them out, cause them no see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, cause when them win them a go down pray. So we a tell them complete people don't vote them out, cause them no see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, cause when them win them a go down pray. We have to tell them